What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Sharde. Today I'm going to show you guys these cute press-on nails I got from SHEIN. I'm loving this color, y'all. So I have washed my hands and now I'm about to clean underneath my nail and trim my nails. So I've been wearing my nails short since I've been wearing a lot of press-on nails. So this is my prepping process. Now when it comes to prepping my nail for the press-on nail, I like to make sure that I shape my natural nail before I put on the press-on nail. I like to push my cuticles back to make the press-on nails look natural. That's something that I always do anytime I wear press-on nails. Now, after I push my cuticles back, I like to use an alcohol pad to remove all moisture from that nail bed. Ladies, that is a key thing that you must do if you choose to wear press-on nails. You want to make sure you don't have any oil on that nail bed. So if you got to use the alcohol pad, if you need to file your nail bed, whatever you need to do, don't have any moisture on that nail bed, because if you do, that press-on nail is not going to last. It will come off. You know, like how you go to the nail salon and they use the drill to pretty much prep your nail? It's the same thing with the nail file. Now, before I put my press-on nails on, I like to measure my nail, make sure when I put the nail on, I don't see any spaces. I need for it to be a good fit. I'm loving this Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue. Ladies, don't kill me. When I started filming this nail tutorial, it was 1 o'clock in the morning. My kids were asleep. Girl started filming and my phone died. So the next morning I said, well, I'm still going to show them how to put that nail on. Now, when it comes to wearing press-on nails, you mainly want to focus on prepping that nail bed. Popping the nail on is so easy, girl, but if your nail bed is not ready for that press-on nail, you just wasted your time and you wasted your money. So as you can see, I am making sure that I'm filing my nail bed down again, just like a nail drill at the nail salon, and I'm just getting my nail bed ready. I like to make sure that I go slightly underneath my cuticle just to make sure that the nails look natural. So I did all of my nails like this. Once again, forgive me, my kids were asleep. So that's it. And I'm trying to film and girl, but anyway, don't use a lot of glue. I want to make a mention of that as well. More glue doesn't mean that the nail is going to last longer. But yeah, you can see how I'm going slightly underneath my cuticle just to make sure the nail look natural. After I put on my press-on nail, I like to slightly press down for a few seconds. Now I'm about to show you guys how I shape my press-on nails. I just wanted to show you how I put my press-on nails on because, like I said, my phone had died. So I wanted to show you that first, and now I'm going to show you how to shape the press-on nail. When you shape your press-on nails, go with a shape that's convenient for you. Most of the time, I keep my press-on nails short because I'm using my hands a lot. Not only that, I have twin toddlers, and girl, they've been to pop one of them nails off. So I love the short look.